हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक। बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग वीक रहा, स्टार्टिंग से लेकर और मिड वीक तक। इनफैक्ट थर्सडे तक मेरे लिए तो एक्साइटिंग ही था। आज कुछ एक्साइटमेंट फिजल आउट हो गया और इस वीक में एक और एक्सेप्शनल चीज थी कि हमने मंडे को भी वीकली राउंड अप किया था और आज वीक खत्म होने के बाद भी कर रहे हैं। और बिकॉज यू पीपल आर ऑलवेज आफ्टर माई लाइफ कि वीकली राउंड अप दे दीजिए, वीक की प्लानिंग दे दीजिए। इस चक्कर में आई हैव एक्चुअली पुल्ड एके इन। अभी वो ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, ही इज आउट ऑफ टाउन, बट स्टिल आई हैव मेड श्योर कि उनको हम पकड़ लें और समझें कि क्या हुआ और क्या होने वाला है। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच ऑफ हिज टाइम टुडे, लेट मी ब्रिंग हिम इन। Hi AK, good evening.
Hi,
Sorry,
good evening.
but I have to catch you. So tell me,
No problem, Rachit. Good evening to all our viewers. Rachit,
क्या
आज
हुआ?
you must be very happy in this week, at least the way it started.
See, I was happy, and somehow I had this feeling in my mind that in this weekly roundup, I would be saying, कि हाँ, finally things are falling in place. But in the midweek, the kind of charts that you had shared across,
Mhm.
still I had that conviction in my mind that this is for the first time that things might turn in my favor. बट एज ऑलवेज फ्राइडे आते ही एके फैक्टर ट्रिगर इन हुआ और 25 बेसिस कट के बाद भी अगर मार्केट गिर सकता है तो यू ओनली टेल मी क्या हुआ और क्या करें।
Right, so let me start with how the week was, Rachit. I feel, see, it was a very eventful week. जैसे कि हमारे मंडे वाले I told you that इतना कुछ होने वाला है इस वीक में. There is a MPC meeting. There is a Delhi election. Of course, the results are going to come out only on Sunday. But still, जो exit polls और ये आते हैं, तो वो सब सारे impact आता ही आता है. तो yeah, we saw that. देखिए प्री बजट रैली हमने देख ली इस वीक. Like I mentioned on Monday, 23,800 is extremely crucial. It has to close up above that and sustain for us to see the next upside. So अगर वैसा वैसा है, देखिए उस वो रेंज देखिए, तो इस वीक का आप चार्ट देखिए तो 23,800 एक दिन it touched intraday. I think the weekly high was 23,807 or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. And once it touched, it immediately retraced back.
राइट।
And उसके बाद last 2 days it has only been coming down. अब जैसे कल सारे के सारे एग्जिट पोल के रिजल्ट्स आए. एग्जिट पोल के रिजल्ट्स मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड्स a 35 to 40 seat BJP, which is
राइट।
almost majority. So they are pointing towards a BJP win in Delhi.
हम्म।
I don't think I have seen an exit poll which is remotely even giving a chance of AAP win in Delhi. So
राइट।
so that if that is being perceived as positive, then why are the
हम्म।
markets not holding up? That is one thing. Secondly, पिछले 8-10 दिन से ये चीजें फैक्टर इन थी कि 25 बेसिस पॉइंट रेट कट होगा. एंड बजट में जो एक्सपेंशनरी टाइप ऑफ policy that was made, that up to 12 lakh uh, income was exempt of tax. This is
राइट।
kind of an indication wherein the government wants consumption to grow.
राइट।
एक्सपेंशनरी मोड में अब गवर्नमेंट आई है खर्चा करने के लिए. तो वो once that came in, I got even more confident कि 25 basis point is confirmed.
हम्म।
So today when the RBI announced a 25 basis point, it was not
हम्म।
a positive surprise as such. ये तो ये तो expected ही था. तो उसके चक्कर में already उसके expectation पे if you have moved up, then you can't
हम्म।
expect to move up further on the same bit of news. You need some fresh
राइट।
news flow. तो मेरे हिसाब से I think that was one reason. that you said that even after 25 basis point it did not move up.
Right.
It had already moved up, Rachit. मतलब आप अगर बैंक निफ्टी का भी मूवमेंट देखिए, पिछले 2 दिन का 3 दिन का मत देखिए, उससे पहले का देखिए.
हाँ, तो पूरा मूवमेंट था. राइट, यू आर
करेक्ट.
एब्सोल्युटली.
तो सब कुछ फैक्टर इन हो गया है, तो देन देयर इज नो दिस थिंग. अच्छा, आफ्टर दिस डस्ट हैज सेटल्ड from 1st to 7th, it's been 7 days in February. Budget, GST figure, Delhi election, FOMC, MPC, सब कुछ हो जाने के बाद हम कहां पर हैं? Where are we? This brings me to the next week. Next week again, I am saying again, we'll be range bound. We'll be on the downside. The bias is downside. जिस तरह से आज की क्लोजिंग हुई है, आई एम नॉट लुकिंग एट. आई वाज इनफैक्ट, मैंने आपको वीक के स्टार्टिंग में बोला था कि अगर 23,500 के ऊपर मेंटेन करता है तो मे बी आई फील दैट 400-500 पॉइंट ऊपर की वो एक्सपेक्टेशन रख सकते हैं. बट
राइट.
तो in the light of all this, I cannot tell you that or tell anyone that मुझे मार्केट ठीक लग रहा है. मुझे मार्केट ठीक ऑनेस्टली नहीं लग रहा है. I will again say that whoever is a bull and wants to create a long position, be extremely careful, be extremely cautious, be extremely prudent. Cut your profit जैसे मिले आप काटो. Don't get very greedy if you're a bull. अगर लॉन्गर टर्म रखना है पोजीशन, थोड़ा देख के ऐसा रखना है विथ greater profit percentage in mind, then create a short position. It'll be much safer.
I'm sorry, come again. Did you just say that if you want greater profits, create short position?
I am saying that if your expectation of return is higher,
Yes.
so create shorts. And if if you just want to make some profit, but you are inherently a bull, please create long position and wind up as soon as you get those profits. क्या
Right.
रचित, ये मार्केट ऐसा नहीं है कि आप लॉन्ग पोजीशन क्रिएट करके ये एक्सपेक्ट करो कि मैं इस पे इतना परसेंट कमा लूंगा. उतने परसेंट के चक्कर में आप वो भी खोगे. बट शॉर्ट में ये चीज आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. As of now, as of current week.
And is there any support levels that you would give us, that if Nifty goes down to those levels, we can see Nifty getting some support and then bounce back again?
देखिए रचित, सपोर्ट लेवल तो क्या है कि यहाँ से मेरे को इतना डाउनसाइड नहीं दिख रहा है. लाइक आई एम सेइंग, आई एम लुकिंग एट अ वेरी शॉर्ट रेंज. 23,800 is still posing to be a very strong resistance. उसके ऊपर जाएगा तभी कुछ लॉन्ग में बोल सकते हैं. और नीचे के साइड में आप 400-500 पॉइंट नीचे ले लीजिए. 23,200, 300 is the kind of low I am expecting that not to be broken in this coming week. There is my main reason to believe that is that volume based buying has not come in at this level. Buyers are still reluctant. The bulls are reluctant. जब volume based buying आएगी तब सामने से माल बिकेगा. And one thing to closely track is the FII figures. ये जो अगर if their selling is continuous, then there is no मतलब मेरा और आपका लेवल की बात करना कोई मायने नहीं रखता है. फिर वो किसी भी लेवल पे जा सकता है.
Got it. So चलिए, अब आपको ज्यादा डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे. Somehow what we have understood is 23,800, a very 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 strict resistance that Nifty is unable to breach. अगर breach होता है तो शायद next weekly roundup में I'll have a smiling face, or else 23,200 or 300 is the support. From there we can expect certain amount of bounce, but should not be taken for a very long ride. It might be a 300 or a 200 points bounce, and then eventually the market will be trading in the range somewhere in between 23,200 and 23,800. No positive surprise to be seen in the coming week. Is this is the way
Right.
that you're seeing it?
That is perfectly summarized by you.
चलिए, as always, it's nice knowing. I would not say talking now, but nice knowing as to how the markets would pan out. And I would certainly make it as a nice talking when I see the markets breaching 23,800 and moving northward direction. But till that time,
Let's
we
hope
have to
so.
suffer. And let's see. I'm so sorry for this, last minute catch up that we have to do. But then we had to, get the bite so that we can plan the next week accordingly. It was amazing talking, and
Thank you.
thank you. And I hope to see you next week. And happy
Yes.
weekend.
Happy weekend to you too. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.